The topic of today's video is how to fix the import media problem in Davinci Resolve. Now this is not a Davinci problem, it's a us problem. So coming from CapCut, which you could throw a floppy disk at and it'd probably be able to read it and you could edit it. Davinci Resolve is not the same. It has a few formats that it just doesn't like. MKV, WMV, that would be me. So what we want to do is option A, just change the file extension. So you'll go to view and then show and make sure file name extensions are on, and then you change .mkv or WMV to .mp4. Now 9 times out of 10 this won't do it. Next option would be to actually convert video. Now I do have a video converter. It is a paid one though, but yes, converting the video will do the trick. Okay, next up is the people who have files that are looking like this. Why is your naming convention like this? Davinci Resolve will not like that. So just change the name to something simpler and try and drag and drop it in again. And if that was the problem, that'll solve it. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.